Hello and welcome back to my channel. If not back, then just welcome. If it is your first time here, I would love it if you would click on the subscribe button and join me on my YouTube journey. Today I'm going to be bringing you this look here, courtesy of the Mar palette from Colourpop, which is this little cutie right here. Colourpop recently released this huge solely Mar collection, which I'm really proud of myself for not buying the entire thing. So shout out to me for only buying what I didn't already have. The thing that really caught my eye in the collection was the Mar palette. Copper and teal, or like bronze and turquoise, is always really popular for the summertime, and it's one of those color combos that looks good on any complexion, and it's the star of today's show. If you head over to my Instagram and onto my IGTV, I will have another look from this collection. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you should. I post some pretty lit content. Exhibit A. That's enough rambling. If you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look that low-key is like a Jasmine from Aladdin sort of eye look, then just keep watching. So I'm starting out with my lids already primed with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Caffeine. I'm going to start by taking Sorbet as my transition shade. Now I'm going to do my normal winged out shade because the color on the lid is going to be so bold, and I want the focus to be on the color, not necessarily the shape of the shadow. To deepen my crease, I'm using top down. I want to bring the depth a little lower so that the bright teal that I'm using later will be in a more confined area. Now I'm going to blend that out using the same brush that I applied Sorbet with, but I don't have any extra product on here. I just want to make sure everything is super soft. Now on the lid, I'm going to be using Highway. It's a satin seafoam green with a gold sheen to it. Super unique color. I'm going to apply it with my finger because I want the color payoff to be super intense. Then I'm just going to soften up the edges a little bit. I don't want this green color to look like it's just thrown on. It has to look like it belongs. In the inner corner, I'm going to use Boozy, and on the lower lash line, I'm using Wild One. The copper and the teal make a really beautiful contrast. For my lips, I'm starting out with BFF3 Lip Liner, and then I'm going to fill it in with Netta. And here's the final look. As always, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye folks.